Today I'm doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, so if you like luxury products, stay tuned on this video and let's go. Hi everyone, I hope you guys are fine. I'm so excited to be back here on this YouTube channel. So welcome back for you, and if you don't know me yet, I'm Margot. I'm French, living in Barcelona. I'm 27 years old and I'm very excited to make you videos about luxury, beauty, fashion, and also vlogs sometimes because I like to travel, of course. So if you like these topics, stay tuned because I have lots of videos to show you, like so many things to show you, to tell you, and I'm very excited. So I'm sorry in advance for my accent. I try to improve my English, so I'm very sorry for my accent in advance. I'm gonna start this video now. I'm gonna explain to you why I bought these things, where, how does it happen, because it was not supposed to be. I was not supposed to buy anything from now because I'm unemployed now. Well, I'm self-employed. I quitted my job like a few weeks ago, and so now I'm self-employed. I'm so happy. I did not quit my job because I was unhappy with it, but only because I have a few businesses that needed me more. Like I need to be 100% on my business now, so this is why I quitted my job. And so this is very exciting, but also very scary. Like I have to admit, it's scary too. Like be employed by someone else. You have your paycheck at the end of the month. Now I don't. It's me and only me. But it's very, very nice. So I'll have more time for my YouTube channel also. I have another YouTube channel, but in French. I created this YouTube channel in English since like not so many times. So be nice with me. If you like my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, of course. I'd be very happy to welcome in my family. And I'm very grateful that you watch my video. Well, so I've bought this for myself because I wanted to treat me with a little gift. So I bought this from me to me because I've quitted my job. Yes, I know this sounds surreal and not logical. This is not the best time to buy something, but I was like, yes, I want to treat me because it was like, this is a huge step I've made. Like quitting the job is like very huge because now it's only me. I don't have this safety net, and yes, it's like the big jump. So I bought this to, like cheers me up a bit. So if you want to cheers me up too, leave me a comment. And if you are in the same situation, if you are self-employed, bravo. Well done, like really girl, well done, oh boy, really, really, really well done. So let's get into it. I've been in Lyon to visit my family because I'm from Lyon, and I've also been living in Paris a lot because it's where you work usually. So I've been in Lyon visiting my family. I went to Hermès, and I was not planning on going at Louis Vuitton because I used to not really like the store in Lyon, and I saw that it was all brand new, like wow. So I went to visit it and it was amazing. Usually they have only the ground floor, and now they have like a first floor, and it's really, really beautiful. So if you go to Lyon, you have to stop there. You have to go to Hermès store and Louis Vuitton store. They are like, the two of them are brand new and now very fancy. I like them. And the team, wow, they are super nice. Like this is one of my best welcoming in store, like my best experience. Like it was not my first experience, but it was one of the best I had. Like they were also nice, like all of them. So I was very happy. And yes, I'm gonna show you now what I got. So this comes in this one is a small box. So here it is. I can open it like this, and this is a SLG. So this is a small accessorize, and yes, this is it. This is a card holder, like wallet card holder, and this is super nice. This comes with a beautiful green. I try to video with my phone and put it here, like you see more in details how it looks. So this is a very classic card holder, like in monogram, and you have also the green leather here, which is amazing. You have a pocket here. I don't think I'm gonna put anything here because this leather is kind of fragile, so I don't think I'm gonna put anything here. Then you can open it, of course, and you have like a grain leather. You also have a monogram inside. So you have 3 different spots to put your credit cards, so which is pretty nice. Also here, a pocket. You can like leave anything here. Also here you have a pocket here. And here you got two of them too. I think I'm just gonna put my money here and credit cards, maybe visit card, anything. Yeah, I think it's gonna be very useful. And it's gonna be like bigger than my older one. I had like a Chanel card holder, and which is, I love it. I love it. I choose also the grained leather because the normal leather is too fragile for a card holder. Yes, I had it like for two years now, and I wore it like every day, so it's not very good. You should change it like every 2 months because now it gets a bit dirty, so I have like to clean it and to be careful. So now I'm gonna change it. I was waiting to do the unboxing to wear it, so now I can. So this is what I bought, and it's not from women's collection, it's from men's collection because simply I could not find anything at women's collection. So I went at the first floor and I saw this green collection. I fell in love. Like clearly I fell in love. This is amazing. This green is amazing. They had another card holder like in empreinte leather. Oh my gosh, I hesitated a long time. If I could, I would have bought the two but I need one card holder and not two. So, but the other one was quite nice too, and all green. So really nice. Then I'm gonna show you now the second one. I'm gonna do the second unboxing. I'm just gonna put this thing away. Up. And now the second one. This is much bigger. So yeah, up. I already took off the ribbon because it comes with a ribbon here normally, but I already opened it, so you know. Okay, I'm just gonna open this. It comes with a paper here, a little sticker, Louis Vuitton, and this is it. So I'm just gonna clean this, put this away, and I'm gonna show you guys up. Yes, so this is a scarf, Louis Vuitton, and this is a silk scarf. So I'm gonna show you my older Louis Vuitton scarf, which is here because I want to show you something. I want to show you something. So my older Louis Vuitton scarf, like I bought it like 3 years and a half ago. I bought it in Paris, like Champs-Élysées, and I really love it. Like I wore it like every day. This is not something you have to do. Don't wear it like every day. This is very good advice. Don't wear it every day. I've worn it every day, and so I damaged it a bit. And now, you know, this one's got the little hair. Is that hair? It's like the silk. So it's like very thin, and so it gets damaged quick because it's very fragile, like lots. And you also got like all this, I'm gonna show you. Sometimes it's got, yeah, it's kind of damaged everywhere actually. Like I've got all this thing here. See, it's like I've got all this here. So you have to cut it, and it's bad because it's silk, it's fragile, but still. So you need to be very careful about this when you buy it. And this is why on the new one, and it's actually new, it's kind of new, I bought this one where you can see it's like a couture thing. It has no thin little, I don't know how does it call actually, but anyway, it's very different and it's not as fragile as this one. It's silk also, and it's a blue pale silk, so it's amazing. It's like my Hermes bag, so if you want to watch the other video of my Hermes bag, it's here. Just finish this video and watch it after. Just open the window if you want. Yes, it's actually gonna go with the bag very well. It's a blue pale. The monogram is very small on this one, but this is very chic. I love it, like really, I love it. So on this one, the monogram is smaller compared to this one, and it's gonna be less fragile. So I chose this kind of color because I wanted still like a bright color, but something can go with everything. There is also another one like very dark green, khaki, which is amazing. I was like, I also love this one. But this one, I'm gonna wear it like more. The color is easier to wear, at least for me. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go for this one. But the other one was nice. And for the price, so oh, the price of a card holder was 320 euros and this one is 390 euros. So it's less than this one, yeah, way less. So I was happy also about the price because I was planning on spending 500 euros on this one and actually it was less, so I was very happy. It's like still 110 saved. So it's pretty good actually. Also, I have a tip for you which is very good. If you have this scarf, just for your information, Louis Vuitton has a service called Louis Vuitton Spa for a scarf like this one. I don't know if it exists in every country, but I guess yes. You pay 250 euros. In USD, I don't know. But in France, they told me it's 250 euros and you can give it back to them and they will redo the scarf and they will do again like every little thing here. It's gonna look like brand new. So I might try, and if I try, I will make a video about it, like the before and after, and if it's worth it or not. I think I'm gonna do it like more around Christmas or New Year, like, yeah, something like this, because there is like, you need to wait some time. I think it's like 1 month or 2 months. So I will see if really I need to do it, but I think I will because it's 250 euros. It's still less than buying a new one. And I really like this scarf. So I think, yes, I'm gonna do it. And I will let you know if it's worth it or not, because I love it. It's very fragile, but still like there is a solution. So, and it's better doing the spa before your scarf is really damaged. So if your scarf is like this, please go to see a Louis Vuitton store, ask them the spa for a scarf and see if it's repairable yet or not, if it's too late. Do it before it's too late. Like it's a very good advice, do it before it's too late. Okay guys, that's all for this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really happy to be here with you. I'm very happy and yes, thank you for watching till the end. It's really nice and I hope I'll see you guys on the next video, of course. And stay connected because I'll see you like in a few seconds. At the end of this video, I'm gonna give you 2 other videos to watch that are very good. So if you want to watch them, please do it. And yes, if you did not subscribe yet, now is the time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you want to do it, you can click on the subscribe button. I'll be very happy to welcome you in the margavalux family. This is a family with love, with joy, good vibe feeling, and I want you guys to feel like home and nice, you know. I will always welcome you like nicely. I will try to reply to you every time when I can, of course. I will not maybe reply to you like in the second, but I will try my best to reply to you each time you ask something. And of course, this is a good vibe here only. Like really, if you have something to say, and say it in comments, but please, like with respect. This is very important, I think, today. So guys, well, I hope you enjoyed it and I see you on the next video and bisous, à bientôt, bye bye.